Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review TextLink. So TextLink is a tool that lets you run SMS campaigns, and it's not just individual campaigns. You can run bulk SMS outreach campaigns that can help you reach more prospects at one single time. And when you create a campaign and send messages to your prospects, you can also personalize those messages. And the best part is, in order to send your SMS campaigns, you do not have to purchase any type of premium subscriptions that can help you send messages. You can simply do that using your own device from your own SIM card, which is amazing. And other than that, TextLink also has API access, and it also has a bunch of no-code tools as well as webhook. And this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you're getting this tool at only $39 for lifetime. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the plans. The tier 1 is going to cost $39. It lets you send 5,000 messages. The tier 2 lets you send 10k messages. Tier 3 25k, and on the tier 4 you can send 100k messages per month. And as for the features, you can add unlimited users under admin account on all of the tier. You can add unlimited devices. You have API send message capability on all the tiers. You can also use the no-code bulk SMS feature as well as web chat SMS app. So if you want to buy TextLink on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how you can use TextLink in order to run your SMS outreach campaigns. So after you log into TextLink, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. Here you can see some analytics such as how many messages you have sent and all those different types of statistics. And on the right side, you can see your subscription. So let me start with this test service. So I'm just going to go here. And on this test service, you can send your message as a test in order to see if everything is working perfectly. And here are some FAQs that you might need. What messages can I send? So you can send any type of message. That could be notification or any alerts or messages with links, which means it could be promotion as well. So you can send all content without any additional charges, no matter what type of content that you send. And then how long does it take to deliver an SMS? Let me show you this answer. So the delivery time, it is going to depend on the load of the network, which means if it is busy, then your text might need some time to get sent. But the good news is usually it takes 1 to 20 seconds. And then there is another FAQ that says, why don't I have 500 free messages? So if you have just registered, you probably have not set up your device with a SIM card. So this is the FAQ for the people who want to use the free version. And then there is another FAQ. How can I choose sender country? So it is only from the devices you have available. And now in order to send my message, all I have to do is just first set up my device. So for that, I have to select the country. And then I have to click on set up your device. So now there are some setup guides such as the pricing guide. So it is much cheaper than EasyText or Twilio. Since you're using your own device, it is way cheaper than those services. And for setting up your device, you also have a step-by-step guide as well as a video tutorial. So I'm just going to go to this step-by-step guide, and here there is a very good 3 steps guide. So first of all, you have to download this application. So this is an application for Android, and I'm not sure if they have an application for the iOS devices, but here's the Android app. So this is the APK app. You have to click on it and the download is going to start. And once you do that, you have to log in with your TextLink account, and then you have to accept their terms and you have to understand how their terms work. And then you have to select your country and tick all the options. Once you understand them, then you can super easily set up your device with your own SIM card, which is super cost efficient. And there is also a video tutorial. So here's the video tutorial. If you're having any trouble setting up your device with TextLink, you can watch this video tutorial. So once you have set up your device, you can simply go back to this test service and then type a number on this box, and then you can write something here in order to send your test message, and then simply click on the send button. So once you receive your text message, you can be assured that the text service is working perfectly. And once that happens, you can simply go to this no-code bulk SMS, and there is a option which is called dashboard. So on the dashboard, once again, you can see some statistics, and these statistics are going to be based on your campaign. So for each campaign, you can see the sent rate, the start rate, cost, status, actions. So these are all the different types of statistics and actions that you can take. And on the right side, you can also create a recipient group. So you can create a group and then add certain numbers to those groups. This is how you can also create recipient groups. And here are also some SMS FAQs. So this is one FAQ. How many contacts can I send? You can contact a maximum of 30k contacts in a single campaign. Can you choose the sender country? How can I upload contacts? How can I make custom messages with columns for each contact? So here are some FAQs that are based on the campaigns. And in order to create your campaign, just click on this create new campaign. So once again, you have a very good tutorial on the right side that can help you in order to create your campaign. But it is super easy. You do not really need any tutorial. Provide your campaign name and then choose the country. You can also leave it empty if you do not want to write that. And then you can choose or create a user group. So as I said before, you can create a recipient group. And once you create that, you can add certain contacts to those groups. And now if you want to choose that group, you can simply choose that group on here. So the groups are going to appear. Now you can choose the contacts on those groups by choosing that particular group. Since I do not have anything, I cannot choose anything. And then I have to type my message. So once I am here, I can type my message. And I can even use some variables such as this name variable, address variable if I want to make it more personalized. And once you type your message here, you're going to see a preview underneath. And once you have your campaign ready, all the settings are done, just click on the start campaign. And within some seconds, the campaign is going to start sending messages to your prospects. And creating a group is super easy. Adding your recipients or adding the contacts is super easy. Just click on create new, provide a group name. You can upload a CSV or XLS file that has all the contacts, that has the contacts of all of your prospects. And you can see all of the phone numbers on here. You can also add multiple columns on here. So this is how you can super easily set up the contacts, the people that you want to send your messages to. So this is how you can super easily run a campaign. And once you run a campaign, you can see all the statistics on here on this particular campaign dashboard. And once you have added your contacts, you can also contact with them. You can also connect with them individually with this chat application. So just go here. So here's your API key. And the best part is once you add your contact, they are going to appear on here. So now you can select any contact and then you can also start a chat by selecting them. So for example, let me add a contact. Now I'm just going to save this. So as you can see, this contact has been added. Now I can rename this or remove this contact. I can also open this and I can also send a message directly to this contact. So just like this, once I have all the contacts, I can also connect with them on one-on-one. So that is going to help me a lot in order to personalize even more. So other than the chat application, on the left side, we also have some integrations, and particularly we have this API and webhook. So first of all, we have the SMS API, verification API, as well as the bulk SMS API. And if you want to know more about this API, just go to this documentation, and there's also this API key. I can simply copy this one, or I can also generate a new API. And then I also have webhook, custom webhook. So all I have to do is just provide the inbound webhook on here and the outbound one on here, and then I can generate a secret key. And I can also copy the code snippet for sending SMS. Here is the JavaScript, and also I have the code for Python. And I already showed you how to set up your device, how you can super easily set up your device with your own SIM card. You can see the tutorial. You can also go to the dashboard. So here you can see how many devices are connected, and then you can see some details about your account. You can also see the balance you have and the analytics, as well as you can also add team members to your account on TextLink in order to collaborate. So overall, I think TextLink is an excellent tool that lets you run bulk SMS outreach campaigns. You do not have to buy anything such as services like EasyText or Twilio because they are going to be super expensive. You can super easily set up your SMS service directly using your own device and using your own SIM card, which is going to save you a lot of cost. So if you want to buy TextLink on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. Okay, so I missed one tier. There is also this tier 5, so you can also buy it if you need even more than 100k messages. If you want to send probably 200k messages per month, you can also opt for the tier 5.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.